2005 Chevrolet SSR retractable hardtop roadster here, unique especially in classics. Actual mile vehicle, just a little over 39,000 is all on this one. A ricochet silver metallic. Dark gray leather interior. Let's take a look at this grille. 6-liter V8 power underneath the hood. This paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, air. AC blows cold. As you can see, paint shows very well on this one. There is a couple little spots look like they've been filled or touched up just where you would have had the front license plate bracket maybe once upon a time. Not real noticeable, as you can see. All right, still pictures, so you can see this truck from every angle. Undersides, interior. You'll see the bed of it. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Correct SSR wheels. Continental Extreme contact radials. And those are in good shape, plenty of tread left. Take a look at the still pictures. They're actually date coded 2021 too, so not that old a tire. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, touch-up spots that I've noticed. If there is anything, it's pretty minor. We'll take a good look around it. All right, interior, there's that dark gray leather. Bucket seat, center console, of course, yeah, the SSR gauge package, which is down in front of that shifter, power windows, power locks, power top, AM, FM, CD changer, steering wheel controls. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video and Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will, I guess. As you can see, paint on the rear of the vehicle, looking good. A couple notes from the technician on this one. So it dries out very well, no shakes or vibrations. It brakes straight, actually 4-wheel disc brakes. 85% in the front, 80% in the rear. Stock exhaust, it's ready to go turnkey. Let's take a look down this driver's side. I believe this would be one of 1,230 that were produced this year in this color. And if you like SSR trucks or maybe like Chevy pickups in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. And as you can see, this driver's side also free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Very clean. Paint has a nice shine to it. Sorry about the noise, a little vacuuming in the background. That is our detail department getting more vehicles ready to be listed. Bose stereo system. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Memory seating and heated seats. You can see leather is in nice shape. No rips, tears, holes. Just kind of the natural wrinkling that you get from the hide. I always say, like a soft, comfortable pair of shoes. Steering wheel controls for driver's information center, radio on the other side. And bonus 6-speed manual. It's fired up. Let you hear it run. Let's check out those exact miles. 39,266, and yes, I can vouch for that AC being cold. So the gauge is down below working. If I can kind of get them to focus in, there we go. See that outside temperature on the right there. Like we got pound-feet of torque on that center one battery gauge, and of course a couple more up here. Oil pressure. Actual engine or coolant temp, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to be up. Gas gauge. And of course, stereo working. Top of the dash looking good. slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds as you'd expect. Nice deep throaty exhaust note out of that 6-liter. All right, and engine bay. Something I do want to mention on these for the next owner, just general knowledge. So there is, of course, the release under here, the second release, but don't lift on this Chevrolet emblem piece right here. You'll want to lift off to the side, and I'm going to show you why here in a second. Let me get this hood open, and we'll go from there. All right, so the hood's open. Now there's a few things under here I want to show you. So right here, it's all part of the hood. Nice, solid metal. This here, that trim piece, has been known previously, not on this particular vehicle, but a lot of others, to break these tabs or those studs that go to the back if you're lifting and closing on that plastic piece. Hence, this has a sticker that is closed by the hood hooks right there. That's how you do it. You're not going to break that trim piece in the front. Something else that is very nice in this one that's been installed, and I don't think it was stock in the 05s, but I could be wrong. The hood struts. There is usually a prop rod, and lots of times that prop rod, people forgot it was there and would close it with the prop rod up. So hood struts on this one, nicely marked. Close that hood from the hook where it latches. All right, and engine bay, 6-liter. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. All right, I will show you this hardtop functioning, going up and down. We will check out the condition of that. So stick around. I'll get the tripod out, get the camera set up, and we'll make a little video of that top going up and down so you see how it works. And hardtop up, even rolls the windows up for you when you're all said and done there, if you notice that. So nice tight fit, latched all the way. As far as finish on the top, same condition as the rest of the paint on the vehicle. Tinted rear glass. And how about passenger side? Nice fit with the side glass. See the reflection off that, plenty of glossy finish to that top also. Again, what you'd expect. And if you stick around a little bit longer, I'll show you that top folding back into the storage area. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. It's a 2005 Chevrolet SSR retractable hardtop pickup. Actual miles, 39,266 at the moment. Yep, that's 6-liter underneath the hood with the 6-speed. Number to call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2005 Chevrolet SSR in silver. The convertible hardtop truck with retro styling. We do have the top up today. A couple tiny little droplets of rain coming down, just enough to show you the wipers are working. 6-speed manual in this car, or truck shall I say. Less than 40,000 miles on the odometer currently. I'd say she's barely even broke in. To drive trucks, kind of handle like a car, well handling machines. Gauges are working. Fuel gauge showing a little less than a quarter of a tank. The temperature a quarter of the way up from cold. Oil pressure approximately 45 to 50 psi. The stereo sounds great. Another good 80s song. Beautiful black interior with silver accents. We've got gauges down below as well. The battery charging over 14 volts. We have a torque indicating gauge and an outside temperature gauge, which, believe it or not, right now is in the 50s in Minnesota and a little bit damp. Bose stereo. The hardtop convertible works excellent on this. Just push the brake. I did have the emergency brake on as well. Hold the clutch down, of course. All I did was push the button and wait for it to go up. Simple and easy. Also cornering nicely. We have steering wheel controls and all the modern amenities from 2005. Find all the pictures of this 2005 Chevrolet SSR in silver at uniqueclassiccars.com.